As the question says here, Jane makes toy beer. When she works with an assistant, she makes 80% more beers per week and works 10% fewer hours each week. Having an assistant increases Jane's output of toy beer per hour by what percent? So in these questions, first of all, we should read the question and try to understand what is given, what informations are given in the question, and what is there that we have to find out. So Jane is working to make toy beers. So let us assume Jane works 100 Jane is making 100 beers per week and she works 18 hours 100 hours per week, because the question says when she works with an assistant she makes 80% more beers per week and works 10% less. Here I am explaining this question with the method that will take lesser time. There are various other methods to solve this question, but this method is going to take less time. Now this is what Jane when works herself alone, she makes 100 beers per week and works 100 hours per week. That is our assumption. And Jane when works with her assistant, she makes 80% more beers. That means 80% of 100 will be added, so it will become added to 100, so it will become 180 beers per week. And whereas the number of hours that she puts in is just reduced by 10%. So 10% you have to reduce from 100, so it will become 90 hours per week. This is the benefit of the assumption that I have made. You don't have to make too much of calculations. You get these figures. Now it says having an assistant increases Jane's output of toy beer per hour by what percent? So we will have to find out how much time, what is the total number of beers she will make if she works 100 hours. Then only we can compare. And now if you can have a look at these figures, 100 and 180 90, they are in direct proportion. So our next question is, what is the efficiency, what is the increase in efficiency, by what percent her efficiency increases, output efficiency increases. So how to find that? Let us say we have to find, in order to compare, we have to take here 100 hours with her assistant when she works with for 100 hours. Let us assume that she makes X beers, and as we can see, this is in direct proportion. So 180 by X will be equal to 90 by 100, from where we can calculate 90 times X equals to 180 times 100. So X gives you 200. I'm not writing much, but you can very easily understand 180 times 100 by 90, so that is 200. Now what is 200? 200 is the total number of beers produced per week, total number of beers made per week when Jane works with her assistant. Earlier when Jane was working alone, she was making 100 beers only. So what is the increase in number? Increase in number of beer made per week in number will be 200 minus 100, that is 100. That means the question is asking by what percent. So percent is always calculated on 100. 100 increased this produced, number of beers produced increases by 100. Total number of beers produced earlier was 100, and we have to calculate percent, so this is 100%. So cancelling, we get the answer 100%. Some of the students might get confused and they will mark this answer as the correct option, but it is wrong. This says by what percent is the output of toy beer per hour is increased. So increase is only 100, not 200. So this is going to be the right option. Option C is going to be the right answer. Thank you.